so I can emphasize the contour. You feel the vibes? You feel the vibes?
Yeah.
What it is, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, Baby K. I'm a certified MUA, so if you want to know how to get your face beat, you already know you need to keep watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to get the details on this look, then keep watching. I'm just going to start off by priming my eyes with the Hard Candy Mattifying Primer. I'm also going to go ahead and prime my whole entire face. I have really oily skin, so I usually use a mattifying primer. So if you have oily skin, you already know what to do. Mattifying primers are where it's at. Next, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer to conceal my eyes so my colors can pop. Now that we're done concealing our eyes, we're going to take our Fenty Beauty baking powder so we can bake our eyes so the eyeshadow does not crease. Next, I'm going to go in with Love Actually. Next, we're going to go into my Morphe palette and we're going to take this orange shade. I know I'm using a lot of palettes, so try to keep up. Next, I'm going to be using the Saharan by Juvia's, and I'm going to take this darker orange shade, and that's going to be the last like transition shade I use, I think. Now I'm going to use a pink from my Ofra brush palette as the pink I'm going to use on my eye because I really like that color. Now I'm going to go back in with my Juvia's Place palette and I'm going to take this darker brown shade to put it at my crease. And the last shade we're gonna go in is this purple shade. Now I'm going to go in with my Nubian Loose Highlighter by Juvia's. Now that we're done with that, we're going to take a clean brush so we can wipe out and kind of clean up all the like leftover eyeshadows that are like not completely blended in. We're finally done with the eyes. Next up, we're going to go into that face, my favorite part. Now I'm going to take two of my favorite foundations, Maybelline New York and Black Opal. When I mix them both together, it actually makes like the perfect shade for my skin. So that's what I like to use. Now I'm going to take a damp beauty blender to make sure everything is blended on this side. You need to blend until you can't blend no more because we can't have any discolor. Oh, my skin is dirty. Next, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Concealer to conceal everywhere that needs to be highlighted. To blend that out, we're going to take our damp beauty blender so everything can blend in seamlessly. I'm trying to snatch that nose, so after I'm done highlighting my nose, I'm going to contour. We're going to take our Victoria Duke foundation in the color Hudson. Now it's time to bake. We're going to take our Fenty Beauty baking powder in the color Hazelnut. Girl, it's the best. It's going to make your face matte, honey. So my cheeks are already kind of naturally contoured. Like as you can see, that dark area in my face, I have it on both sides. So I'm going to take the baking powder and kind of highlight under my contour.
Emphasize.
so I can emphasize the contour. You feel the vibes? You feel the vibes? Next, we're going to take this golden shade from my Broken Fenty Beauty palette and we're going to put it at the top of my brow bone, just where we put the white. Next up, I'm going to take my Iman powder. Now it's time for my lips. I'm going to be lining my lips with this dark brown pencil. I'm going to highlight the tip of my nose. Do you guys see the difference? There's actually a difference when you put highlighter at the top of your nose and at the tip of your nose. There's actually a difference. Like, your nose actually looks slimmer. You know the vibes. Next up, I'm going to go in with this blush from Zanana Beauty. Last up, we're going to take our Nubian highlighter from Juvia's Place. Now the last color I'm going to be adding to my lips is this Victoria Beauty lip gloss. My favorite lip gloss ever. As you can see, it's basically done. It's in the color Hottie. So I added my lashes and did my mascara off camera. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on social media. BabyK.P on everything. And that's that on that, period. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.
Boy, I'm the son you be condo. I'm the father you they don't know. Hey, been grinding a long time. Bitch, I'ma glow if I don't shine. Make $1 million here with my guys. Cause we came from a place where it's not nice, yo. Oh, back in the day, see they know